Hey everyone. I am going to quickly try to go over this look. I have already been out in this look, so I've already worn it for a couple of hours. So if it looks a little shiny or dewy, that's why. Because I actually took today to celebrate something special to my heart, and usually I try not to go into too many details about, my personal life, but it's always nice to be transparent on social media just to let viewers know what you're going through, what your backstory is. So today is 420, which this is the look I came up with my little leaf there. So that's what inspired the look, but this day means something different to me. And a year ago, exactly today, I had surgery. I got a mastectomy because February 2023, February last year, I got diagnosed with breast cancer. So it's been a roller coaster ride, but it's been, for the most part, something that I've been dealing with pretty well, actually. So I know, depending on the stories of different people, um, they could go through different things, but in my case, um, it was caught pretty early, so I didn't have to go through much or endure a lot. Like, I cut my hair. It wasn't because I did chemo or anything or lost my hair. It was because I wanted to go natural and I wanted to actually see what my curl pattern was. So I know a lot of people have to do that, and have to endure that, but I just chose not to based on my case. But I did go through radiation. So if you're seeing this dark area here, notice that in a previous video, that's from radiation. So, but yes, I'm doing well and I'm still fighting. So far, so good. And I had my yearly annual exam on this side, and I was able to get that letter that everything was good. So that's been a blessing. So, yeah, today was the day I had surgery. So I wanted to go out and celebrate that. So, me, my niece, my sister, and a good friend of mine, one of my close friends, we all went to it's a building on in our downtown Indy area called the Stutz Building, and they had a art event where they had an open house where we could walk around and speak with the artists and see their art and everything. And they also have this old car um, museum. So I got a lot of footage, a lot of pictures. So I'm going to post this makeup look and some pictures I got from that and TikTok. So I'm going to link this tutorial down below in the description box. So yes, I'm going to go over how I achieved this look. It's a halo, and I would say it turned out pretty well. Sometimes I struggle with halo looks. So I did like how this one turned out. It was nice and soft and blended. That's the way I wanted it to appear. And I've tried that with other looks, and sometimes they come out okay, but I think sometimes they look a little harsh. But with these greens, they blend it out so well. So the eyeshadows I used were from Inglot. Let me see. So since I got my hair this color. I'm doing my brows, going to be doing my brows a little differently. So I'm using this Jordana eyeliner. It's an eyeliner actually, and it's in the color Eggplant, so it's in that color. And so I lined and filled in my brows with that, and then I used just a burgundy eyeshadow to set it. For the shadows, all of these are from Inglot, and each of them are numbered, so I'll just give you the number. I started out with under the brow, this beige color. It's kind of got a shine to it, and it's in the color 08. And then I had a little transition reddish brown, and that's in the number 55. And I don't know if Inglot still has these eyeshadows individual like this or not. I haven't been on their site in years. But let me see. For the outermost corners, the dark, I used this color in number 340. And for the, as you're going in, I used a green, and that is in the number 331. And then in the middle, I used two colors, and I don't know if you could see it or not, but I first used this number 412. So it's like a shimmery lime, kind of iridescent green. So it's like a green gold, light green gold, lime green color. And then I went over it with this number 24. And this is more of like a iridescent light blue. So I kind of took that lighter green, and I was all in the middle with it, but then with that iridescent blue, I went straight up the middle with it to give it kind of like some depth, I guess you could say. So that's how I achieved the look. I just put a green eyeliner in the waterline on the bottom. I didn't go too heavy underneath, since I knew I was going to be going out looking at art and old cars and everything. So I didn't want it too heavy underneath. So for the lip in the tutorial, I used these two lip colors. And I forgot the name, but it says Fit Colors, but that's not the name of the company. I forgot the name of the company I ordered these from. It's like a whole rainbow of different lip colors. But this one is in 03. So I use this on the outer line, kind of line the lip with this one, because it's kind of like a mossy green blue. And then in the inside, in the middle of the lip, I use this one in 01. And this one is more of like a rainbow green, gold. This one is lighter. So it came out really pretty. I blended them together. But for the sake of going out, I took it off because I thought it would be kind of flashy. So I ended up using what I have on now. This is by NYX, their Shine Loud. I guess it's a liquid lipstick, and then it comes with a gloss, a clear gloss you put on top of it. And this is in the color Total Baller. So this is the liquid lip, and then that's the clear gloss that goes on top. So it's lasts forever. I've had something to eat, drink, and still looks good, hasn't cracked or anything. So These, I don't know if they still make these or not, but these are good. The other ones that they had, they last long too. I can't think of the name, but yeah. So anyway, for blush, I'm using Magnolia again. What did I do with it? Oh, no, did I put it back? What did I do with it? This oh, here it is. Terracotta blush. And it's by Magnolia Makeup. And for highlight, I use my Black Panther from MAC highlighter in Royal Vibrancy. I used the Estee Lauder foundation again. And that's pretty much it. I tried to keep it pretty light on the face because I knew I was going to do a lot of walking and everything and probably sweating and stuff. So wanted to keep it quite light on the face. So this is the look, my 420 look. Oh, and the lashes. They were from Butterfly Effects by Desi lashes. And I have a pink pair too that I don't know if I can stand to keep them until next year. Maybe I'll do a look with them, but I'm still waiting on some things in the mail that I've ordered, so I might turn around and do a look with some of those new products I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on a new eyeshadow palette. I promised myself I wouldn't buy any more palettes because I have too many, but I couldn't resist this one, so I'm still waiting on it to ship out. I actually ordered it on the 1st, so it hasn't shipped out yet. I hope they hurry up and get it out. So, yep, these are called Elevated lashes. That's what they're called. So, anyway, I hope you like this look as much as I do. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. And I hope that whatever you're dealing with out there, that you just keep going. And just know that tough times don't last forever.